Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the review, I've linked this litter box below at a great price. Check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the PETKIT PuraMax 2, an automatic self-cleaning cat litter box, and this thing genuinely takes a messy chore off your plate. One of the biggest wins here is mess-free cleanup. It has a sealed design around the base that keeps things contained, and the litter pad itself has tight, elastic edges, so even if your cat pees near the edge, nothing leaks out. It's also waterproof and easy to wipe clean. Everything is controlled through a smartphone app. You can check how often your cat is using the litter box, see how long they're in there, and switch between different cleaning modes, all from your phone. It even automatically figures out which cat is using it based on their weight, which is genuinely useful if you have more than one cat, since it tracks each one separately and can help you notice if something seems off with their bathroom habits. Speaking of multiple cats, this litter box has a large interior and works for cats between about 3.5 pounds and 22 pounds. It also has a low entry point, which makes it a lot easier for older cats or cats with shorter legs to get in and out comfortably. Safety is clearly a priority here too. It has several sensors that detect when your cat is inside or approaching, so the box automatically pauses to keep them safe, and the entrance is designed so your cat can never get stuck or pinched. You don't have to be home to keep it running either. There's an automatic mode, a manual mode, a timer mode, and an empty mode, all controlled from your phone. The waste bin is big enough to go about 2 weeks between empties, which is genuinely convenient if you travel or just have a busy schedule. For odor, it uses a sealed waste bin along with a built-in odor remover, so your home doesn't end up smelling like a litter box, even with regular use. One quick note directly from the manufacturer: don't place this on carpet or a mat, since that can mess with the sensors, so make sure it sits on a flat, hard floor. Overall, if you're tired of scooping litter every day, the PETKIT PuraMax 2 combines genuinely hands-off cleaning, smart health tracking, and solid safety features, making it a great option for cat owners who want to spend less time on litter box duty. I'll leave the link to this litter box in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.